Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ethernity cloud. It's like eternity, but it's ether, so it's Ethernity. The Ethernity cloud token, ticker symbol ECLD. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting November 28th. We're going to go over the information on the ECLD token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the traditional cloud infrastructure has many central points of failure and trust, so the centralized nature of the domain name service, DNS, dependency on one or more multiple cloud providers for service availability, centralized storage of user data. So the Ethernity Cloud project envisions the cloud computing infrastructure to be an environment where users' data is hosted on a wide range of systems in an encrypted and anonymous manner. From home computers, mid-range servers to data center level of hardware could be utilized within Ethernity Cloud, fully trusting that the data is safe and private while in transit and at rest. So this token here is on the Polygon blockchain, so you can check out their Polygon scan. They only have 584 holders so far, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 49,910,840 tokens. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a central exchange called Bitmart. And they will be listed on there exactly November 28th. And the listing time looks like it is 4 p.m. UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Bitmart account, all you got to do is download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then on November 28th, go in the trade section, search ECLD, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now their Twitter is at Ethernity_cloud, and over there you can find 1,351 tweets. A lot of tweets on there. Blue verified checkmark. They have a full link tree on their Twitter. I'm going to put it up right on the screen there so you guys can see what I'm talking about. They also have a link here to another Twitter, which is NFTs, Ethereal's NFTs. And they have 13,600 Twitter followers, so they're doing very well. The Web3 decentralized confidential computing ecosystem and its community of eager node operators, stakers, and developers charging eternal NFTs. So the token is charging these NFTs, they say. So the Telegram is at Ethernity Cloud, real easy to find, 6,518 members, and then their webpage, ethernity.cloud. They also have a Discord group that you could find linked on their Telegram. If you go to the Telegram, you can find the Discord or their webpage. You could also find it on there. And on their webpage, you can find a full white paper too. It's a 15-page white paper. So Ethernity Cloud removes the middlemen consisting of cloud service provider companies and replaces them with a smart contract. So the Ethernity Cloud nodes are meticulously programmed virtual machines that obey the smart contract. User software and data run inside Ethernity Cloud nodes exactly according to the smart contract implementation. These nodes are location agnostic, self-replicating, and constantly spawning in random locations on the internet. This allows the user software and data to be online and run forever. The design of these smart contracts and the underlying infrastructure of Ethernity Cloud is backed by a team which accumulates more than 60 years of experience in cloud computing. The technology that has been deployed successfully over the past years, Ethernity Cloud is crucial to the freedom of speech in the current internet environment of censorship. Ethernity Cloud can be utilized as base infrastructure for an online library such as Wikipedia. It can also ensure high availability of online resources by avoiding a single point of failure like traditional cloud storage solutions. Ethernity Cloud can be the answer for any other decentralized service or web application that demands true high availability. So, yeah, their white paper, if you want to check that out, has whole sections here on anonymity, decentralized domain name service, continuous availability, performance, encryption, the whole architecture, the circular economy, tokenomics, roadmap. So, yeah, big introduction, just basically about cloud computing. But yeah, they're trying to bring privacy, of course, be anonymous, and always be available. High performance. They go over each section on there. Let's skip down to the tokenomics though here. So they have their pie chart on here. Basically the token is split up here between founders, seed, private sale, pre-sale, public sale, staking, marketing, and company. So you will be able to stake this token to acquire more tokens. Now, it says team tokens are locked for 2 years. Now, first phase was come out with the Ethernity Cloud white paper, Ethernity Cloud demo, proof of execution presented, testnet launch on Bloxburg, private round closed, pre-sale rounds open, public sale opens, Ethernity Cloud full node encryption, Ethernity Cloud mainnet launch, Ethernity Cloud decentralized domain name service, and then Ethernity Cloud SDK. So that basically, oh, and then they do have news articles you could check out as well. But yeah, that's the roadmap. They've been seen in Forbes, so you can check out a Forbes.com article. You can also check out Gartner.com newsroom press release. So a couple different news articles you could read. But yeah, you could check out their 15-page white paper. You can find info in the new Bitmart listing. If you go over to Bitmart's Twitter at Bitmart Exchange, you can see this brand new listing announcement. So I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.